Stuck with Yahoo Mail in a language you don't understand? Here's exactly how to switch it in under a minute. Alright, so here's the deal. Maybe you accidentally clicked something, maybe Yahoo rolled out an update, and suddenly everything is in a language you can't read. It's frustrating, I know. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the settings menu step by step. First, just sign in to your Yahoo Mail account. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to Yahoo Mail and sign in. If you're already logged in, you're ahead of the game. This is the starting point. Can't change anything if you're not in your account, right? So make sure you're in. Good. Now look up in the top right corner of the page. You should see a little gear icon. That's your settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Yahoo hides all the good stuff, the controls for how your whole experience looks and behaves. In my experience, this is the one spot you need to remember for almost any customization in Yahoo Mail. Once you click that gear icon, a menu drops down. What you want to do is select More Settings. It's usually near the bottom of that drop-down list. Click that. Now you're inside the main control panel. This is where you can really make Yahoo Mail your own. Now here's where we need to be a little careful, because Yahoo organizes things by category. Over on the left side of the panel, you'll see a list of sections. You're looking for either viewing email or something that says language. It can vary a little depending on updates, but it's almost always under the viewing email section, so click on that. Once you do, the main area changes, and here's the really important part. Right there on that screen, you should see a row that says language. Alright, so you found the language row. Now click on the current language that's displayed there. It might say English or something else. Just click on it. This opens up a drop-down list of all the languages Yahoo Mail supports. Now this is the fun part. Scroll through that list and choose your preferred language. It doesn't matter if it's Spanish, French, German, Japanese, or something else. Just find the one you're most comfortable with and click on it. I've tested this with quite a few different languages, and they're all in there. Once you've made your selection, here's the good news. You don't have to hunt for a save button. The change will apply automatically. Sometimes it takes a second or two to kick in, and on some browsers, you might need to just refresh the page to see it fully take effect. So if nothing changes right away, just hit that refresh button. That usually does the trick. And just like that, you've gone from being stuck with a language you didn't choose to navigating your favorite email in the language that works best for you. It's one of those simple fixes that makes a huge difference in how comfortable you feel using your inbox. Thanks for sticking with me through this. Now get back to your emails.